This is one of those simple home upgrades that makes you wonder why you ever bought so many paper towels. These are Unimade microfiber cleaning cloths, 120 in a box. And I love that they come in 4 colors because color coding is the secret to keeping cleaning easy and a little more organized calm. I keep blue for glass and mirrors, green for kitchen counters, yellow for everyday wipe downs, and pink for the messier jobs, like the stove, the grill tray, or anything greasy. Now here's the best part. These cloths soak up oils and grease without leaving lint behind. So when you're wiping down stainless steel, your coffee station, or even your car interior, you're not chasing little fuzzies around afterwards. And they're super absorbent, great for spills, quick hand drying, and even the oops moments when something tips over on the counter. Quick tip for shiny surfaces: lightly dampen the cloth first. Wipe, then flip it to a dry side to buff. For greasy messes, use one cloth to lift the grease, then follow with a second damp cloth to finish clean, so you're not just spreading it around. And for bathrooms, grab one color and keep it strictly for that space. Simple habit, big difference. When you're done, just toss them in the wash machine, let them dry, and they're ready to use again. Less waste, fewer paper towel runs, and your home stays effortlessly cleaner. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.